Hello everyone, today we are going to start with information retrieval from chapter number 7, page number 122 of your book. What is information retrieval? It is like the internet is the most common source of retrieving information. What is the meaning of retrieving? Retrieving means to get something, to search for something. We are searching for information on the internet. We are using Google to search about anything we don't know. So the information we are getting in return is known as information retrieval. So internet is the most common source to retrieve information. We all know that whenever we want some information we cannot find in our book, we will go for the first option we will go for is to search it from the internet. The internet has made it easy to access and share information, which can be in the form of text, it can be in the form of pictures, audios, or videos. It can be in any form we can get it from the internet. Information on almost every subject is available on the internet. We can get information about maths. If you have some math theorem you cannot find it, you can go for the internet and you can search, you can write down the name of that thing which you don't understand. It will give you all possible information for that related topic. You can search for science, you can search for social studies, English, every subject, related to every subject information is available on the internet. So searching what in this section we will be learning about net surfing, what are the search engines, and then we will discuss with an example what we have learned today. What is a surfing? When we are searching information on the internet, there is one term used for that type of search over internet is known as surfing. If we are moving from one website to another to search for information, to look for information, that movement of one from one web page to another web page is known as net surfing. So what is a surfing? It is searching for information on the internet or exploring the internet is known as surfing. Then next is search engine. What is a search engine? It is a program. I have explained you previously when we started this chapter. I told you what is a search engine, but we will learn it again today. A search engine is a program, means it is a software that searches the web for specific keyword. Means in search engines we can write one keyword, means for example I want to know about algebra. If I want to know algebra, so I will write algebra in my search engine, like I can write in the Google www.google.com. We are most of the time we are using Google to search for something. So Google is a search engine. It is a program that searches for the specific keywords and it returns us a list of web pages when we enter any keyword in the Google to find out information related to that. So it will give us a lot of pages, pages many websites. It will be returning to us that from where we can learn about that specific keyword. So what is a search engine? Search engine is a program that searches the web for specific keyword and returns a list of web pages in which the keyword can be found. Information related to that keyword can be found in that list of web pages. So the most popular and most commonly used search engine is google.com. In our book it is given that we have to we have to search for information about features of Gmail. So with this example, by searching for the features of Gmail in Google, we will learn how we can retrieve the information over the internet. So let's do this First of all, I have to open my web browser. After opening my web browser, I will write here www.google.com. Okay, after writing this, I have to search for, this is my search box we can see. And what is a Google? Google is the search engine. It is a program that from where we can search for a specific keyword. So I'm gonna search for features of Gmail. Features of Gmail. Gmail, we have learned about Gmail in the previous class. We created one account, so I want to know what features are available in the Gmail. When I will click here, it will give me a list. When I scroll down, you can see it have returned me a lot of web pages. It have returned me with a lot of web pages. We can see 1 2 3 many web pages which contains this keyword features of Gmail. So all the features of Gmail I can search from Google search engine. So first of all, to search for this, we need one internet connection. Next step will be like typing your search engine names. For example, I have typed www.google.com. Then third step is type the features of Gmail. Type the keyword in your search bar. In your search area, you have to write down the keyword for what you want to search. So I have written features of Gmail. Then I will click the search button. It will give me a list of links that contains the term features of Gmail. Okay, so this is how we are going to retrieve information using internet. Coming back to our point, so next is at page number 123 of your book. The next topic is education through the internet. We all know that if we can get information, we can retrieve information from the internet. It means we can get education also. There are many possible ways. There are many websites which teach us, which give us learning options, which give us many options to learn a lot of things without a fee even. There are some websites which teach you with the fee, but there are some which don't charge fee for this learning. So we can say that internet is a great tool for education. We can get education. We all must be aware of distance learning, online classes. There are many online classes. There are many online educational programs which are going on these days. So this is known as distance learning. This distance learning is very common for the people who are taking some job in the morning, so they can have some courses, extra courses online. So the internet is a great tool for education. It allows people to learn about a variety of things at their own pace. Means when they feel convenient, they can learn variety of things using internet. A number of distance education courses are also offered through the internet. For example, many institutions offer online coaching classes for engineering, medical, management, entrance examination, all these fields which we know that, like medical, engineering, coaching classes, all are available. All these classes are available online. Some charge fees for them, and some are free of cost. So we can join any learning program which we are interested in. So using the internet, one can learn a topic, take the test, even we can get the result from the comfort of our own home. So these are some examples of some these are some websites which we can use for learning, and these are giving us learning options for free of cost. So better, I will I must prefer that all of you should try all these websites, try to open these and try to search through these, how you can get educated from these web using these websites, and try to enroll in some courses for them which are free of cost. It is very good, especially for young students like you, so we should try this, we should give it a try. So next is finding people on the internet. Using internet, we all know that we can find internet. Mashallah, all of you are aware of social networking. We all are user of Facebook. On Facebook we can find our old friends which we don't have seen a long ago. If we will type there some information about them, it will return us with their profile, so we can get connected to our friends also. Many search engines allows you to search for the people such as old friends you have lost touch with them. These are some of the websites. We have some websites here like www.whovia.com, anywho.com, people finders, people.yahoo.com, and most commonly used Facebook. So these are the websites through which we can write down some information about the person we want to search, and it will give us, it will return us with the names and with the people who have these features which we have written, and we can select which for which person we are going to search for. So to try these all these these are the websites through which we can find out people. So I hope you all will try these websites. For example, I have opened www.whowhere.com. Here you can write some like business name or the category you want to find, search for which person. You have to write down his name and his city area, so it will return you about the people, possible people who have these information like the same name and they're living in the same city. So I want all of you to try these websites to find some people with some information you have. So let's summarize this chapter because we are done with this chapter number 7, and I will be uploading the answers for filling the blanks, true, false, and also for choose the correct option this week. So in the worksheet area you have to find out the exercise answers and descriptive type questions. Inshallah we will be doing in the next class. So in this chapter we have learned some terms about internet and what are the internet addresses. Then we learned about email. It is an electronic message sent from one computer to another. We learned about uniform resource locator. It is a unique address given to one file on the web pages. Then we learned about carbon copy. It is carbon copy is used to in the is it is a feature of email which is used to send the same message to several people at the same time. Then we learned about blind carbon copy, to send the message to the several people at the same time without letting them know that others are also receiving the same message. Then we learned about surfing. What is a surfing? It is searching information over the internet. We learned about internet addresses. There are two type of internet addresses: number addressing and letter addressing. Number addressing is most commonly known as IP addressing, and letter addressing is known as domain name service. Email is quicker than ordinary email. We all learned about that, how it is quicker. We don't need to pay for sending an email, just only one internet connection is enough. Also we learned we can attach files like videos, audios, pictures, text files. We can attach when we are sending in an email, and we can learn, we can get educated using internet also, and we can find people on the internet. These are all things which we learned in this chapter. What are the basic main uses, what is the purpose of using internet, and also we learned how the internet can work as a post office. By using the feature of emails we can use it as a post office. So We're done with this chapter. All the chapters we have to cover in second semester, we are done with all of them. Now we will be having some assignment and worksheets which I will be uploading later on. Today I will be uploading exercise answers, so you should go and try for to search that and write down the answers in your book. Thank you so much.